National Electrical Code Article 400.14 addresses the use of twist-lock receptacles. According to the code, there are specific permitted uses for twist-lock receptacles, primarily relating to connecting portable cords to fixed wiring. Firstly, twist-lock receptacles are permitted to supply power to pools, spas, and hot tubs. These environments often require a secure and reliable connection due to the presence of water and potential for electrical hazards. The twist-lock design helps prevent accidental disconnection, ensuring continuous operation and enhanced safety. Secondly, twist-lock receptacles are permitted for supplying luminaires, which are lighting fixtures. This is particularly useful in commercial and industrial settings where lighting systems need to be robust and resistant to vibration or accidental disconnections. Twist-lock connections provide a more secure alternative to standard plug and socket arrangements, reducing the risk of lighting outages and maintaining a safe working environment. Thirdly, twist-lock receptacles are permitted to supply air conditioning units. Air conditioning equipment often draws significant power, and a reliable connection is crucial for uninterrupted operation. The twist-lock design ensures that the power supply remains stable, preventing damage to the equipment and maintaining consistent climate control. Fourthly, twist-lock receptacles are permitted to supply appliances. This can include a wide range of equipment, from industrial machinery to commercial kitchen appliances. The secure connection provided by twist-lock receptacles helps prevent power interruptions that could damage sensitive equipment or disrupt critical processes. Fifthly, twist-lock receptacles are permitted to supply temporary services. Temporary electrical services, such as those used at construction sites or outdoor events, require robust and reliable connections that can withstand harsh conditions and frequent movement. Twist-lock receptacles provide a secure and durable solution for powering temporary equipment and facilities, ensuring safety and reliability in demanding environments. However, the National Electrical Code also specifies several uses for which twist-lock receptacles are not permitted. Firstly, twist-lock receptacles are not permitted for general-purpose branch circuit supplying outlets. General-purpose outlets are intended for a wide variety of common electrical devices and appliances, and the use of twist-lock receptacles in these applications is generally considered unnecessary and potentially inconvenient. Standard plug and socket arrangements are typically sufficient for general-purpose use, and the added complexity and cost of twist-lock receptacles are not warranted. Secondly, twist-lock receptacles are not permitted for Edison screw shell lamps or sockets. Edison screw shell connections are the standard type of connection used for most light bulbs and lamps in residential and commercial settings. The use of twist-lock receptacles with Edison screw shell lamps would be impractical and incompatible, as these lamps are designed to be easily replaceable using the standard screw-in mechanism. Thirdly, twist-lock receptacles are not permitted for use with devices that require grounding. Grounding is an essential safety measure that helps protect against electrical shock by providing a path for fault current to flow back to the source. Devices that require grounding must be connected to a properly grounded electrical system to ensure safety. If twist-lock receptacles are used with devices requiring grounding, they must be designed and installed in a way that maintains the integrity of the grounding connection. In summary, the National Electrical Code permits the use of twist-lock receptacles in specific applications where a secure and reliable connection is essential, such as supplying pools, spas, hot tubs, luminaires, air conditioning units, appliances, and temporary services. However, the code prohibits the use of twist-lock receptacles in general-purpose branch circuits, with Edison screw shell lamps or sockets, and in applications where grounding requirements are not met. Understanding these regulations is crucial for ensuring safe and compliant electrical installations.